Hey, welcome back to the Flop and Flow Show, the show about skill toys and about thriving in the messiness of learning new stuff. This week we have the chattering. That's right, the chattering. It goes a chitter chatter. So this is week 4 of me practicing the chattering, 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And I gotta say, I've made a lot of progress. My exploration began with just feeling the chattering in different hand positions. You get the inside grip, you get the outside grip. Inside grip is from the bottom, outside grip is from the top. It's easier in one side than the other, and the reverse is true for the other grip. And I started playing with width. Making it nice and wide. Look at that. Whoa. Day 2 was spent keeping the ring going down and low on both sides of my body, left and right. These would be the inside grips. Also keeping it going out to my side, so exploring the lower half of my play space. I was also paying attention to keeping the beads energized between the two techniques, the drop swing, as I call it, that works really nice down low, and then more of the manual turning of the ring when it's out to my side. So day 3 was mostly working on back rolls and forward rolls with an inside grip on both sides. Of course, there were lots of drops. Day 4, spent most of my time just tossing the ring back and forth. Had a nice little run here. Felt good about. So I started out day 5 just by going back to what I was working on last week. Seeing how the practice that I've done this week might have transferred. So I was doing my in and out rolls, my up ladders and down ladders. And then I got to playing around with keeping the ring parallel to the ground. This is the position for the roller coaster. That's the roller coaster trick right there. I just started playing around with some rolls around the wrist. Start to see just different ways the chattering will move in this third and final plane about my practice sessions. You know, sometimes you want to work on skills, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you just want to mess around, have fun, play, explore, discover, see what happens. And now, some point of view flopables. How about something from the Skill Toy Museum? Straight out of 1960, we have Kenner's A Swingaroo. It's a cross between a streamer and a poi. That boy looks happy. Look at those tricks. A lot of them look like lasso tricks to me, or poi tricks. 2 different 9-foot plastic streamers. Singing handle. How does that work? Oh, that red ball looks like it has heavy metals. Don't be giving that to no babies to chew on. Next week, at least 1 week, for next week's challenge, I'm going to challenge myself to working with rope. And specifically, I want to learn a lasso trick. I want to learn the trick where you get the lasso going on your side, nice and big, and you swing it around and you jump through it. And I do have a little bit of experience with trick roping, not a whole lot. I can do some of the horizontal tricks. We have it going in front of you. And I've just gotten to the point where I can keep it going on the side. I've never been able to jump through it. And clearly, that is objectively the coolest trick in the world. So that's what I'm going to commit my next week to. 5 minutes a day for 5 days. And I challenge you to spend 5 minutes a day flopping at something and hope that someday, with all that failure, you'll get better. Because remember, you got to flop before you flow.